Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography, perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, a part of New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a big family. His father's name was Fred Trump, a very successful businessman who built houses in New York, and his mother was Mary Ann MacLeod Trump, who came from Scotland. Donald had 4 siblings: Mary Ann, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert. He was the 4th child in the family. Although Donald was raised in a wealthy household, his parents taught him the importance of hard work. Donald Trump went to Kew Forest School when he was young. Later, his father sent him to New York Military Academy to help him learn discipline. After graduating, Donald attended Fordham University in New York for 2 years, and then transferred to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, a prestigious business school. He graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After finishing school, Donald started working in his father's business, the Trump Organization. He was tasked with managing and expanding the company. In the 1970s, Donald began his first major project, redeveloping the Commodore Hotel in New York. The project was a success, and the hotel was renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This marked Donald Trump's rise to fame in the business world. In the 1980s, Donald became known for his ambitious real estate projects. He built Trump Tower in New York City, a skyscraper that became a symbol of his success. He also invested in casinos in Atlantic City, including the Trump Taj Mahal, which was the largest casino in the world at the time. These ventures made Donald Trump a household name. Donald Trump's personal life also gained public attention. He has been married 3 times. His first marriage was to Ivana Trump in 1977, with whom he had 3 children: Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. They divorced in 1992. In 1993, Donald married Marla Maples, and they had 1 daughter, Tiffany. This marriage ended in divorce in 1999. In 2005, Donald married Melania Trump, a model from Slovenia, and they have 1 son, Barron. Donald is also a grandfather to many grandchildren. Donald Trump continued to expand his business empire, opening luxury properties, golf courses, and Trump-branded buildings worldwide. However, his career was not without challenges. In the 1990s, some of his businesses faced financial difficulties, and he owed large sums of money to banks. Despite these setbacks, Donald worked hard to rebuild his empire. In 2004, Donald Trump became the host of the reality TV show The Apprentice. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became iconic, and the show boosted his fame. Millions of viewers watched him weekly, cementing his status as a public figure. In 2015, Donald Trump announced his candidacy for President of the United States, running with the slogan, "Make America Great Again." In 2016, he defeated Hillary Clinton to become the 45th President of the United States. During his presidency, Donald focused on issues such as the economy, immigration, foreign relations, and health care. He lowered taxes, advocated for building a wall on the US-Mexico border, negotiated with leaders like North Korea's Kim Jong-un, and proposed health care reforms. In 2019, Donald Trump was impeached by the House of Representatives, but he was acquitted by the Senate and remained in office. In 2020, Donald Trump ran for re-election, but lost to Joe Biden. After the election, Donald claimed the results were unfair, which led to significant controversy. On January 6th, 2021. A riot at the U.S. Capitol occurred as Congress was counting the electoral votes. Donald left office on January 20th, 2021, without attending Joe Biden's inauguration. In 2024, Donald Trump announced his candidacy for president once again. He defeated Kamala Harris with a significant advantage and will be inaugurated as the 47th President of the United States on January 20th, 2025. Donald Trump's life has been full of highs and lows. From his business ventures to his political career, he remains a well-known and influential figure worldwide. His story is one of perseverance, showing that hard work and determination can lead to great achievements. Despite setbacks, Donald Trump has continued to leave his mark on the world. If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share. What country are you from? Tell me in the comments below.